this is Subrata Mishra and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is vermicelli upma, or else you can say as sevayi. First of all, pour some sevayi in the kettle. Then fry the sevayi till they turn light golden color. Okay, it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is ready, guys. It took only 1 minute for me. Now transfer this to a bowl. These burnt marks came after I fried this. This can be easily removable. Okay, now add some oil. Add some mustard seeds. Add the green chilies. And now add the onions. And fry the onions till they turn light brown color. Okay, I've taken some veggies like green matar and carrot and beans, and this is tomato. Now add this all to the kettle because onion is ready. Okay, now add some salt. Turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and a pinch of red chili powder. Now fry this mixture well till the tomatoes are done. Okay, tomatoes are done. Now add some water. And let the water get boiled. Now the water is boiling. Add the sevayi or vermicelli to it. Now mix this well, guys. Now allow this mixture again to boil. It will take 3 or 4 minutes more. Okay, close the lid. And in between every 1 minute, check whether water is there or not. And if the sevayi is not ready and water is not there, then add some water. Okay. Now it will take 1 more minute, guys. Hardly it will take 5 minutes to boil. Okay. Now add some tomato sauce to it. Guys, if you want to buy the same kettle, then the link will be in the description of any video. You can find that. Now add some dark soy sauce. Now again give it a mix and let it be there in the kettle for 30 seconds more. Okay. After 30 seconds, turn off the switch of the kettle, then mix it well and take it to a bowl. Okay. See, guys, isn't it looking so delicious? Trust me, it is far better tasted than Maggi. Maggi is also not good for health. So instead of Maggi, if you want to eat something tasty and healthier, then add some more veggies and prepare this recipe. Okay. Please do subscribe, guys. I need more support. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.